Welcome! In this video, we'll explore 3CX's powerful backup and restore functionality. From configuring storage locations to setting up failover for fault tolerance, we'll guide you through the process step by step. The backup feature in 3CX allows for scheduled backups, seamless migrations, and fault tolerance with standby servers. While local backups are possible, storing them off-site is strongly recommended for added security. Let's configure a storage location for your backups. In the 3CX admin console, go to System and navigate to the storage. Then select a location type. Options include Google Cloud, FTP, SMB, SFTP, and Microsoft SharePoint. Ensure proper permissions are set for the chosen location. To create a manual backup, click Backup Now in the admin console. Name your backup, include local recordings if needed, and optionally set an encryption password. Make sure this password is stored in a secure place. We will not be able to restore if the password is not entered or forgotten. Once complete, notifications are sent to the system admin and owner. Scheduling backups ensures regular data protection. In the admin console, enable the scheduler under Scheduled Backups. Choose a frequency and time, then set the backup rotation to manage storage. Restoring a backup is simple. Select the backup file in the admin console, click Restore, and confirm. Keep in mind that 3CX services will restart during the process. For fault tolerance, 3CX supports active-passive failover. Configure one server as active and another as passive. Use scheduled restores to keep the passive server updated and ready to take over during failover events. With 3CX's robust backup and restore options, you can protect your data and maintain seamless operations. Remember to schedule backups, store them off-site, and configure failover for maximum resilience. Watch our other tutorials to learn more about how 3CX can empower your communication. See you next time!